Hey everybody! I'm coming at you here from my horse pasture. I'm going to introduce you to Diva while we're waiting for everyone to jump on. Here she is, eating her hay. There she is! Oh, I'm not going to steal your hay, ma'am. So, I just felt inspired to chat with you today a little bit about what has been going on and coming up for me in my world. Hang on, I got to duck under this hot wire. Oh, okay. And I'm going to go introduce you to Cochise. Here we go. We had poor connection, but here's Cochise. Where is he? There he is. Oh, he's eating his hay. So, it might be a little bit windy, so I'm going to walk a little bit closer to the house. So what's coming up for me lately is I have really felt a lot of pressure around putting stuff out on social media and not seeing any fruition coming from that, just putting things out there and sharing my heart with the world. And it's just super frustrating to me to constantly have to keep up with all these postings and these pages and these different apps and all this stuff. And really I just want to live my life and to share my tools with the world. And I know a lot of that happens on social media, but I've been needing to step away. So I've shut down well, not shut down, but I've tried to get completely off. It just, Facebook kind of trapped me off my personal page. And so that's been on hold. Haven't been really doing anything with that. So that's been very freeing for me. I feel like, I posted the other day, just constantly checking my phone. It's ridiculous, really. I mean, the amount of time that I spend checking my phone, and it's just, I don't know why we do it. Like literally we just checked it 5 minutes ago and then here we are checking it again. It's just such a time waster. So I really want to talk to you today a little bit about living our dream life and what that looks like, how to step away from the consistent scroll hole, if you will, and how to really create what you want for 2019. So if you want to comment, I can see you joining, but I can't see who it is. So just say hi, heart, like, whatever. And today I want to share with you a little bit about that, like I said, that's been coming up for me, just the whole situation with the consistent need to post or need to check or need to do all this, and like these have-tos. Where do these have-tos even come from anyway? Like, I run my own 3 businesses, and the have-tos come from my own mind. I'm putting myself under these preconceived conditions that I have to do this and I have to do that. And it doesn't need to look like that way. So I really took a very big step back as I was evaluating my last enrollment for my teacher training online. And now we have about 25 women that are goddesses in our goddess tribe jumping in to complete their training this year, and most of them are going to be completing their training next year with our 200 or 300 hour program. And so my primary focus has been to get them enrolled, get them started, get them ready to move forward on their life path through the tools of yoga and mantra and meditation and Reiki and all these beautiful practices that we have as far as our self-care. And so with that happening, I realized my own self-care was like sucking. It was really horrible. Like, I was doing very short practices. I was just kind of doing very short breath work. Everything is very hyphenated, very, very abbreviated. And that's not what I enjoy. I enjoy my practices. Oh, hi, Brenda. And I want to be able to enjoy my practices. And I'm teaching these girls to enjoy their practices. And here I am feeling this ridiculous pressure that comes from nowhere to be on the computer and to be doing all this work. And so the part of the problem with having an online business is that I'm online all the time. And don't we just want to get offline, right? That's why I actually was told by Spirit to put my book into paper, because you don't have to be on a digital device to read it. You can actually download it, you can highlight it, you can use it as an oracle and flip through it and just, have it tangible. And that tangibility is so important in our life, and we've lost touch with that so much. So I'm really creating a space to have community and to meet up with the women that will support you, not tear you down, and to create a space for us to have Sangha, community, a place for sharing our wins, to be in a confidential and a safe space where we could actually share our losses or share our heart. And so with that being said, I know that not everybody's ready to step into a 200 and a 300-hour commitment and to become a yoga teacher. And so I've been really thinking and praying about what that looks like. And through me stepping out of social media and turning off all the notifications off my phone and taking Facebook off my app and doing all those things that give me some more space, I had some creativity that actually was able to flow through, which is where I'm my best. That's where I'm my best. And I hired 2 amazing women to be our orientation goddess and our human resources goddess for our training program. And I will be introducing them via our private email newsletter. If you want to receive that, I send out news on the seasons and on the moon cycles. And you can get that at yogaforlove.com. And I'll repost it on my business page here. And so with these girls jumping in on board, it's freed up my creativity and my vision. And so I want to share with you like a little bit of what that looks like on taking action in your life. And taking action means that, yes, we all may have a vision board, or we may have affirmations that we say, or maybe not. But some of these things that we do are great, but they just kind of swirl around up here and they never get rooted down into the world and brought down into our root chakra and manifested in the physical reality. And anything that comes from creativity, from consciousness, makes its way down through our energy system, through the elements of the different ether, then the air, then into the fire, then into the water, then into the earth. And we really root it down. But if we never take the time to bring that information completely in, just like I was talking to you about my book, and make it paper, to bring those ideas in, you start speaking about them. And then you start sharing with them, and then you start writing them down, and you start utilizing the tools that you have in practice, or looking for new tools that you have in your practice to help you to manifest these ideas and these creative visions. And so that's what I'm here to help you learn and to apply, is action, taking action towards your vision. And what that means is that learning new tools, learning a new skill set, learning some different things in your life that can help you move forward. Not just think about it, dream about it, talk about it, write about it, even just imagine it, but bring it in, to make it real. And what I've done with my life is created enough space where every single morning I have my quiet time. And in my quiet time, that is where I have my personal practices. That is where I'm off of technology. I'm into my highest self. I pray. I do mantra. I listen to mantra. I spend time with my horses and my dogs. And so just because you take time off doesn't mean you're not working. So I want to help you find a way to have a residual income, to have a way to build your life, your dream, without having to be at a place you don't enjoy. So wherever your joy is, wherever that highest frequency and that vibration of joy is, that is your truest indicator. According to the law of attraction, that is your truest indicator of what is in the closest alignment with your highest good, that highest frequency of joy. And if you haven't felt that for a while, I'm here to help you. And if you've forgotten what that feels like, we're here. Our goddess tribe is here. We're stepping in to help you. And how this is going to look is for you to jump on board with a new course that I'm doing. It's not a huge commitment. It's only a 6-module course. It's called Goddesses of Vision and Action. A 6-module course, 6 weeks, that's going to help you to really inspire to live the life that you dream. And for checking out this course, hi, thank you for the hearts. For checking out this course, you get some really awesome gifts to get you jump started for your next year. So you're going to get the Dream Life Vision Notebook Creation Workshop, which is a live video recorded workshop, and the PDF to go with that. So you're going to create this really fun notebook for all the hats that we wear as women, which we wear many hats. And to switch those roles, everything kind of blends together. And if none of those hats are your self-care time, sister, we need to talk. We have to put ourselves first. How can we keep pouring into other people without caring for ourselves? Like I was just mentioning to you, I was frustrated. It wasn't bringing me joy. I had to step back and step away to pour into my own self-care so I could bring through this creativity. And this is what came through, is all these tools that I've created to give to you. And so you're going to get the notebook and the PDF as a free gift. I have a special link that's not on my website for you to jump in. So if you comment or heart or send me a little private message, I will send you the link to join this page, and you're going to get 3 other bonus gifts, 5 total bonus gifts. The other one is a Loved Affirmation Creation Workshop. So to help you to start to talk to yourself and to have that loving, kind self-talk. I was just looking at one of my dear friends' Instagrams, and she's someone I very highly respect, and she's very well known in the yoga industry, and she was talking today about that inner critic. I mean, that inner critic is just sometimes just buried in there, and so we have to reprogram our subconscious, our unconscious minds to get rid of that inner critic and to say these things that are loving and kind and true, because we know we believe them and they're going to come in, but we've got to say these things to ourselves, not hear that bullshit that what my mentor Sierra Bender calls the itty bitty shitty committee. We got to shut the itty bitty shitty committee up, and we got to replace it with positive things. And so this worksheet is going to teach you how to do that. Then you're going to get the Goddess Priestess Workshop from the Holistic Festival of Life that I recorded. And this is a workshop that includes affirmations and asana practices and each goddess archetype going through the chakras. It's so fun. And these things just get downloaded to me when I have space in my life to create them. It's the tools that are there and then bringing them through in a different way in that divine feminine. And that's what brings me passion and joy, is to bring you these things. And the worksheet that goes with that, you're going to get that as well. It's a PDF. The Goddess Chakra Affirmations is completely done for you. Affirmations you can start saying to yourself right here, right now, today. So I want you to be part of this course. It starts in January. And since you are friends with me on my business page here or in my Goddess group, this is a personal invitation for you. And you might be watching this on my YouTube channel. I'll upload it later. But you are engaged with me in some way, and that's why this is a personal invitation. I'm not just putting it out there for the general public to jump in. This is a preliminary course, and it's going to take place after you jump in. I'll send you the link, absolutely. After you jump in and opt into the link, you just have to click the little blue button on the link, and it tells a little bit about the course. The course actually starts in January of 2019. We're going to be recording it on Saturday's live video with the Goddess Tribe. You don't have to be on video. It's going to be me on the video. You can just be in it. And the course takes place either live in studio or live streaming with a vision board creation workshop on January 5th. And then it proceeds with 5 other trainings, so 6 trainings altogether. The course is going to be selling for $997. But since I'm offering this to you as my special invitation, and it's something I'm super excited about, and I want to have a really good, strong group of women. I see 20 women coming together. We have about a third full right now that are committed, that are going to jump in this training. And these are women that you really will have this lifetime connection with, this sisterhood connection with. And we will have a special place where we have a private chat so we can get to know each other. It's going to be off of social media. So this is a 6-week course. If you can't make the Saturday course, you're still going to get all the content and everything recorded, and we'll be able to participate live in the online chats with our sisterhood tribe. And so I'm going to be selling it for $97, 90% off, y'all, for just 10% of the course cost, because I want you to take part of being part of this, just manifesting your dream for 2019, taking some action steps, some forward motion in your life with some very simple, applicable tools that you can just do over a 30-minute or 15-minute little worksheet. And then bring that to the table when you come to the Goddess Tribe chat, and share with what the experience was when you work with your goddess archetypes or when you're creating your affirmations. And these are things that we're going to be talking about, as well as additional content. And you can check out all the additional things. We'll be working with Reiki, the chakras, shamanic practices, self-care, self-love, clean eating. So many things, all the things. And this is kind of a summary of some of the things that I have in my Yoga for Love book, some of the things I haven't written about yet, but I do have content on that I want to share with you as a first-time offer. So anyway, I just felt super inspired today because I look around and I have this beautiful life. Like, I can just spend time with my horses in the middle of the afternoon, and I still know that I'm making an incredible income and I'm helping women change their lives every single day, but I don't have to be married to my fucking computer, excuse my French, and I don't have to be online all the time to make that happen because you are jumping in, and you're jumping in to support each other. And so jump in right now, send me a little comment, or you can even email me, lisaware@yogaforlove.com with the number 4. And I'll get back with you with the link to that to join. So namaste. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope to see you soon. I'll be sharing with you some more live videos, so stay tuned, and feel free to share this with one of your good friends if it resonates with you. Namaste.